Hey guys, it's Hotel Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make a delicious chicken butter squash rice. Okay, it's very easy, very simple. Okay, now let me show you guys what I have. As you can see here, I already have my fresh parsley and I have my butter. Okay, and also I have garlic and Italian seasoning, and I have here pepper flakes and ginger powder. Okay, and this plate I have all my veggies for my rice. Okay, and I have my chicken already cooked. Okay, and also I have my butter squash. Okay, now let's start cooking. All right, I have my pot already warm up. Okay, what I'm going to do, let me put my garlic in. Okay, let me put that up. Okay. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my green onion. Okay, all my veggies, tomatoes, green peppers. Okay, okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some basil, a tablespoon. Okay, not too much. Okay, now I'm going to add my parsley. Okay, Italian seasoning and pepper flakes and ginger powder. Okay, let me rinse my hand. Okay, let me give it a stir. Okay, now I'm adding my butter squash, guys. Okay. Okay, next guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little tomato paste. Okay, not too much, just a little bit, just to add some color to my rice. Okay, now it's time for my butter. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to just let it cook for 5 minutes. I'm not adding some black pepper now. Okay. And onion powder. Okay, when we come back, we'll add some warm water in it, okay? Come back. Okay guys, now let's check on our food, okay? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some warm water in it, guys. And also I'm going to add my bouillon. Okay. Okay, that should be good. Okay, now I'm adding some bouillon, guys. This is very good, guys. Once you add that, you don't need anything else. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon, okay? A little bit more, okay? Because I'm not going to use any salt or anything else, okay? Now I'm going to cover it up, and when we come back, we'll add the rice, okay? Okay, come back. Okay guys, now the water is boiling. Now let's start with our rice, okay? Okay, I already cleaned up my rice, guys. Okay, not too much rice, guys. If you want to have your rice to be moist when you're doing that food, depending for how many people you're doing it, don't use too much rice. Me, I'm using a half a cup rice, okay? So my rice can be very moist. Okay. Let me see if I need anything else. Okay, perfect. I don't need nothing, guys. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cover it up and then let it cook. When we come back, we'll check on it, okay? Come back. Okay guys, now it's time to check on our food, okay? Alright, let me show you what's going on. Okay, as you can see guys, now it's time to add my chicken. Okay, you see that? Okay, now let me add my chicken. This is why I didn't put the chicken in the beginning, guys, because I didn't want my chicken to break down. Okay. Okay. Let me give it a stir. You see that, guys? Okay. Okay, like in 10 minutes, guys, they should be ready. Okay, okay, come back in 10 minutes. Okay, okay guys, now everything's ready. Let me show you what I started. Okay, my plate already fixed up. Okay, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add some parsley flakes on top of it. See that, guys? Okay. All right. Okay, guys. Very nice and easy. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. I wanted to share that with you guys. Okay. If you like this recipe, guys, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you try it, okay? Have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Bye.